Hey guys, I think I'm gonna fall asleep because I need a little nap. I'll, I'll put you here. I'll turn you around so I can see you. Don't turn it around. Sorry guys. So I'm gonna fall to sleep because I'm a bit tired. Been up missing. Sorry guys, I just fell on the floor. I'll keep you there. Sorry, I'm not allowed to turn off my way. Like that. We'll see you after my nap. Okay, I've just been asleep for an hour now, so I'm gonna so now I'm gonna get up. Right. So I was annoyed. Okay. This is part 2, and if you've seen part 1, that's really good. Comment down below and say that you have seen part 1, which was creepy enough, and there's nothing been round. This is part 2, and this part 2, this is the next day. Part 1 was yesterday. There's nothing been going around from yesterday. It's just since yesterday stuff happened to the live video. It's just stopped being weird. No videos, and it's just going all weird, and I'm just getting freaked out. So guys, I need to do something for all of you. Just if I don't make it, if someone just comes up to me and I do not make it, there will be no more videos. And if this person is a hacker and he deletes my YouTube channel, I'm gonna have to make it all over again. Which this is something else, because there's nothing been going on. It's just I think it's a hacker. I think that person's a hacker. Seriously, a hacker. But I don't think hackers are real. But they might be. But they could not. They could be. I think they are real, because they've hacked people. Or unless it's just people, they would tend to hack their YouTube channel. Yeah. And then they don't do it anymore. Okay? But hopefully they do. I've only just started I started like after yesterday this YouTube channel. So I'm not that good. Okay, so it would just be hacking like this. So no one would be hacking mine. But hopefully not. I don't want anyone to. If someone will, I will kill them in the book. Because I don't know why I said that, but I would actually. If someone done that to me, and soon, I promise I'll be gaming for you. I'll be on a PS4. I haven't got it yet, but I will soon next month. And no one's gonna get it. No one's gonna get it. I'll be doing some gaming for you as well, but there will still be videos without. Okay. But I'm sure there will mostly be Fortnite videos, because I'm in love with Fortnite. I try and do them on my dad's phone, but it does not work. But I can go and do it on my dad's phone, then post it onto my phone, which is clever, because then I can post it onto my channel, and then I'll have a Fortnite video for you. Okay. So that's the greatest thing ever. So I can do it on my dad's wife and then put it on my dad's. As you know, the Gore family, that's my dad. So you put it on my dad's, because I'm in it as well. So I have my own channel as well. I have 2 channels, because it's me and then them. And then on my dad's phone, I post it onto my phone, and then I can put it on. Okay, I just got that. But one day I'll put something on from my dad's, okay? Because I can just post them. I can just post it onto my phone, and then I've got the video on for all of you. Okay. Right. What should I do? So it hasn't been that freaky at the moment, but I've just been here. Right, that's the door. That's the door. I don't want to open it. I'm not going to open it. No one's going to open it. I don't want to. It's gonna be someone. It's gonna be someone. It's gonna be. I'm not even on the settee. I'm in the living room, but I'm not on the settee. Coming up, I'll show you. Well, I'll show you. There's the settee back there, and I'm here. And if I go down, how can I reach it? That's the door. That's actually the door. Yep, that's the spawn flat. That's the bombs. Okay, I'm just tricking. I'm trying to trick you with that one because I've got a hard piece of rain with her. It says real, but okay, whether or not, because we're not. Right now, it's getting a bit freaky. Yeah, I like this. Okay, that's enough for the paper now. Getting a bit weird now. It's been 9 minutes. Okay, that is me, as you can see. I don't know actually if someone's gonna come up. Oh! Ow! Someone just pushed me. I didn't see someone. Ow! I'm not pushing myself. Oh, do that. Who's on? I have. Oh, okay. I'm much better myself. Okay, so good. Actually, someone out there. There's someone freaking. Someone peeking through my window. There's actually someone peeking through their window into my window. Okay, I'm in the living room now and say. No, actually weird. This is actually weird. This is longer than part 1. This is getting a bit freaky, everyone. This is part 2 and it's got 3 kills. Oh, I just noticed this. I'll show you in the dark. I'm going into my bedroom. Let me sort this bed. This was the bed that was on top one, which was never there. See if someone's called. See if they're actually on to it. Oh no. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry about that. I just saw. Why was my pillows on it? That's really weird. Guys, this is getting a bit freaky. Right. How? How is this gonna work? How? I'm surprised. I decided that and then that's my dream. My dream was that, and I know it's gonna happen because number one, I did not have a dream. This is real life, everybody. How would I be doing it on YouTube if it is not real life? This is real life. I put my feet on the bed. It's gonna go weird. It's gonna go weird. Really weird. What is this bed? What is it? If someone else heard that, repeat just said I'm under your bed, Connor. And when I'm under your bed, Connor. Well, I've just checked under there, so I don't think there is. But if there is, that's where. So I'm gonna end up here for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Just hope sure no one comes to you. Bye. Definitely.